Hi everybody, Mike here. Thanks for watching. Today we're going flying again today. This time I got my helper Zach here. Master Sonic Zach M. Follow his channel. Anyways, we're gonna go flying today. We're out camping and we've got this beautiful area, this great looking vista and this ridge out here. I hope you can see that. And we're gonna fly just out to this mountain on the top and fly down this ridge here and just kind of skim the treetops and turn around and come back and fly back. The real issue is going to be landing here and the sun, because right behind us is the sun, if you can see that. So we're going to be flying back into the sun as we come back, and then we've got this real narrow spot to hit. You'll see from the camera on the drone how narrow this is. And so flying back into the sun, kind of blind, trying to hit this spot back here. What we're doing is we're just waiting for the wind to drop down. And I was here a week ago and the wind dropped down about in the next 20 minutes or so. If it drops down, we'll fly. If it doesn't, we won't. And we can't fly if it gets too late, if the shadow gets, or if the sun goes down too low. So anyways, what do you think? Should we go flying soon?
We'll see.
We shall see, yeah. Zach's gonna be visual observer. He's gonna aim the ground station, if you can see that. Same old deal here. We've got the 7-inch quad. Actually, it's an 8-inch frame, but I got 7-inch props. I got a GoPro Hero 8. We're also trying out a new mount for it, a new camera mount. You're gonna notice in the video that the amp meter is not accurate. The amp meter is way off, so we're gonna be flying looking at voltage. And we got a chart to relate voltage to how many milliamps are used. And so, you know, we got a few other toys here. I don't know if you can see that. We got ground cameras. So we got cameras everywhere. We got bees too. We got bees, mosquitoes.
We got a bunch of bugs.
We got a bunch of bugs. So hopefully the wind will stop and we will get in the air and I'll stop talking. So let's go flying. We're gonna go flying finally. Voice recordings were, we got a red ball recording, GoPro recording. We're 13 feet from the home point. Right.
Yep.
Watch your hair. Oh yeah, we're losing our shadow. Up.
Going up.
Altitude. Watch my altitude for me.
Yeah.
This is good.
20 out to 20 feet.
Here's our sun. It's flying back into the sun. Where am I at? Out straight? Oh, I see the tent. No.
You're going low a little bit there.
There we go, right there.
That is level with us right there.
Right there.
Now you're, yeah. Try not to go any lower than 10.
Well, then 0. Yeah.
Yeah, than 0. More like 10.
Okay, point the antenna towards the peak on the right.
Yeah.
At 0, okay?
Yep.
Okay, 3.75.
Yeah.
And you're at the peak at the right.
Yep.
.75. Where you aimed at?
The peak.
Okay.
I'm watching the screen.
Okay, you gotta give me that voltage readout once in a while too.
Yeah.
And also what its corresponding milliamps is.
Yeah.
So we're not even at 370 is something, right?
Yeah, that's 1,000.
Okay. That's what I want to know. Okay, you're aimed at, where you aimed at?
Right peak.
0, 1?
Yeah.
What?
0 and.
Okay, that's good. This is good. I'm gonna go up here. We got good bars in the upper right. We're gonna go from right peak to the slide here in a minute.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Aim towards halfway between that and the slide.
Yep.
We're at the slide, just about.
Yep.
Oh yeah, this is good. Give me a slide.
Yep.
To -1. We're heading between the slide and the low. What do we call it?
The low
Halfway
ridge.
We're at between the slide and the low ridge. This thing is going too fast, man.
Yeah, you're at 3.8.
Okay, good.
3.76. That's weird.
Okay, we're at slide low ridge. We're almost at low ridge, right?
Yeah.
Give me a low ridge. Looks different from here.
Yeah. It's a cool shot though.
These trees, are we at left ridge? I think so.
Alright.
I think these are the trees from left ridge. I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh no, wait. Oh, that's way further to the left.
You're like
Between low ridge and...
Well, you're between low ridge and left ridge, but...
Too low? No, I'm at the right altitude. Oh, look at Baker, dude.
I mean, you're fine, but yeah. Just don't go any lower than that.
Okay. Oh man, I'm gonna just... I'm gonna go up a little bit.
3.69.
Look at Baker. 3.73 is how many volts? I mean, how many milliamps?
In between 1,000 and 500.
Okay.
You haven't really went down too much.
We haven't, well, yeah. See, we have to climb uphill to get back.
Yeah.
We're gonna start sucking voltage now. So you're aiming at low ridge. Let's go up the hill. Let's go back up. I don't need to go all the way down there, you know?
Yeah.
Altitude's only 29 feet. Oh, that's the speed. We're minus 320 feet. Okay, you're aiming towards the slide almost, right? 3.68.
Yeah.
.69. Yeah, baby. Okay.
I see where you are.
What's that?
I know where you are.
You see where I'm at? Those cliffs over there? Those rocks?
You're at the peak area.
Towards the rocks, towards the peak. I'm heading towards the peak.
I know exactly where you are.
The bitch is going to be flying home when the sun.
Yeah.
Like that. Right? Altitude 43 feet. Okay, that's good. 3.6. What's 3.6 on the meter?
1,300.
Tad all.
You're at 3.65, which is 1,300.
I'm going to do a mock coming back to land because I'm heading right into the sun, you know?
Okay.
Altitude 100 feet, so I need to go down a little bit. You should be aiming to the more to the right ridge. You should be aiming towards the right ridge, and
I am.
You got to look for it visually too.
I am.
Altitude 40.
I don't see it. I hear it though.
Altitude 20.
Where are you?
I hear it straight out to my right somewhere. I may be way the fuck out.
Oh, I see you.
You see it? Okay.
Yeah.
You let me know when I get, so you can see it. Okay.
Do not go too much farther that way.
To the right?
Yeah.
To the right. I mean, I'm heading towards...
To your right, yeah.
No, give it... Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. From the drone perspective, don't go to the left.
Oh, I see us now.
Yeah, you're right above us.
That's all you need to know. I see us now. I'm scared. Should I land this thing?
It's up to you.
3.6 is what on our voltage.
1,700. But you're not even at 3.6 yet.
I know, but it's... I'm gonna land this thing.
All right.
I just... I gotta get lower, don't I?
Yeah. You are above us by 40 feet.
Unless I want to go out there again, not be a pussy. Should I go out there again?
If you want to go more left, you could.
Well, I mean back towards the sun. Oh, look, we're losing our shadow. We're not gonna.
All right.
We're gonna land.
Coming in for landing.
I can see the board.
Yeah. I'll try to land near the board.
I'll try. If I watch your hair, you know.
I am. All good. Oh, you made it on the thing.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You did it.
That's the first. That was worth the whole flight right there.
Yeah, you did it.
We did it.
Yeah.
I tell you, I'm just too nervous here because I can't see. I can't see coming back in here. It's blinded. I got these trees. I ain't flying here again ever. This is too nerve-wracking.
This time of the day.
Oh, well, we're heading right into the sun, you know?
Yeah.
Well, we survived the odds again. We did it.
Yeah. It's surprising that you landed it there.
I don't usually hit the pad.
Yeah, you
usually
hit the pad that time.
Dude, I had my Jedi mind tricks going here, you know? Think of that.
I was worried you were gonna come right over me.
Yeah.
And then go. But no, you didn't do that.
I had it figured out,
Yeah.
dude. I had it figured out. So, anyways, let's.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, that's enough stress for one day. I'm going to do things that drop my blood pressure, but this isn't it. What a beautiful evening. Okay. Thanks for watching. What is it? Like, subscribe, thumbs up, ring the bell.
Comment below as well if you enjoyed the video.
Yeah, please comment. Even snarky comments.
Yeah.
We'll like those too. So we don't care. We're desperate.
He'll probably favor them.
One of these days we're going to monetize this account and make a whole $50 a year. So
there you go.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
See ya.